Hello everyone, welcome to high-tech programming. Today we're going to be building a pyramid in Python. So use a for loop to build a pyramid of x's. It should be modular so that if you loop to 5 or 50, it still creates evenly spaced rows. Now hint, multiply the string x by the row. For example, if you loop to the range of 4, it should produce the following result: x, 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 x. So let's try with 4. Row is equal to 4 for I in range row, and then let's go ahead and print out the pyramid. Now, in order to print the pyramid, we first create an empty space and multiply that by row minus I. Then we plus that with a space and an x, and then multiply by I. Then execute. And as you can see, it worked. Now, the reason why it worked is because first time we tried with 0. So 4 minus 0, and then we multiplied 0 by this string, so it got deleted, like so. Now we have 4 spaces. The second time we tried with 1, so 4 minus 1, and then 1 right here. So we have 3 spaces and this space and an x. So now we have 4 spaces next to the x. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second time we produced 3 spaces, and the third time we produced 2 spaces. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.